The government has announced that they will be opening up testing to up to 10 million key workers and their households.
We can make it easier, faster and simpler for any essential worker in England who needs a test to get a test. From today, employers of essential workers who will be able to go on gov.uk to get a test for any of their staff who need a test.
Tests will mostly be conducted at drive-through centres around the country, along with a far more limited supply of just 1,000 home test kits per day. These kits will be delivered by Amazon and the Royal Mail to people's doors within one day. However, after the website went live, these home test kits ran out within minutes. There are currently 31 drive-through testing sites around the UK, with plans to build 50 more in the coming weeks. Mobile testing units will also be distributed around the country for people who can't travel to these locations. The Health Secretary confirmed most people will get their results back within one day, but it will take longer for some others. Previously, almost all tests were taken by people with symptoms of coronavirus and NHS frontline workers. Therefore, most people who were tested were usually already in hospital. A new website has been set up for people to apply for testing, or they can book a test through their employer. The Health Secretary Matt Hancock promised by the end of the month the UK would be able to test 100,000 people per day of COVID-19. However, on Thursday just 23,560 tests were administered, only around 20% of the Health Secretary's target, with just 6 days to go until the end of April. Testing capacity has now increased to 51,000 people per day, the government claims. 616 people also died from coronavirus yesterday, increasing the UK total to 18,738 deaths from COVID-19. People who can now apply for a test include teachers, police officers, bankers, NHS, social care, supermarket and food production workers, journalists and transport workers. The goal is for key workers to be able to return to work. For example, if they believe they have symptoms of coronavirus and therefore have been in self-isolation, a test may be able to let them continue with their job. Hancock also announced plans to recruit 18,000 people to enact contact tracing, which involves tracking where the virus has spread and warning healthy people if they may have been in contact with COVID-19. The government still believes they are on track to reach their 100,000 testing target by the end of the month.